Hey everyone, welcome back. So this is what we have so far on this tree branch carving. So we have the lizard here, we have the mushroom house, squirrel, and the owl. So you can check out those videos. I'll leave links in the description and some links at the end. So now we're gonna go ahead and do this vine with leaves and the flower up top here. Just carve in these lines. So let's get all that done. And then I started doing a little bit of wood burning just to see how it will be. So I'll be doing that afterwards. Alright, let's get to carving. Gonna use the kutzalls, the extreme flame burr, taper burr, and the fine burrs, along with some other varieties. Alrighty, let's do it. Alright, so I'm using the kutzall flame burr first, the extreme. Going around my lines, cutting down deeper. And then I'm just bringing down the wood and evening it all out. Feathering it back to make that flower pop out. Now I'm switching to the taper burr, the extreme. Get in deeper here in the corners, tighter areas. Now I do some smoothing out with the fine flame burr. Just really quick, get some of this smoothed down better. Now I'm going to do some diamond burrs, getting some better details. Get in those really tight areas. There we go so far. Pretty good. Yep. Got everything popping out real nice. Gonna try a little bit with this diamond flame burr. Just continuing to smooth things out. Giving it that better detail. Get it in here with the leaves. Alright guys, so that's it. There's the flower finished carving. This whole piece is finished carved. So here we go, looking around the squirrel, the owl. Get those vines going around. Mushroom house. So I'm gonna get the sanding mandrel. Alright, so I'll get the sanding mandrel. Got the sandpaper on there. Let's go ahead and sand this real quick at the end here. That'll be all for now. So thanks for watching, and catch you later. Bye.